Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Valkylander. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, well, I finished my medical test, so I'm still waiting for my my so-called theory test. So yeah, I finished my medical test. Well, I've done well enough. So I thought, yeah, I have not touched Gunpla for like about a month already. So I thought to myself, well, I saw the Valkylander in the show, and well, people are saying it's a pretty good, it's a good SD. So I thought, you know what, yeah, might as well just buy it and just because I was, I got it because I just like the design like the design of the SD. Heck, it's a female, so if you guys see reviews, you know what I mean. But yeah, well, I wasn't really intending to get this in first place because I was just wanting to, like, trying to get 20 SDs myself. But I thought, yeah, it's a girl, so I thought, yeah, if it's a girl, I'm down for that. Yeah. But yep, so here's the box. So I know this arrived at the store like last Saturday, and I wasn't really interested in getting it until I realized, yeah, I just called the store today just check or something, and I realized I was just curious to see if they have a Valkylander, and he said there's only one left, so I was a little bit on the fence whether to get it on the time, and after like a few seconds I thought, yeah, I'll just get it just for the heck of it. Hopefully they won't make it upgrade just like the Zero Maru, which has like a Shinki casual version, which quite frankly I was a little bit stupid in my opinion. But yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's Valkylander. It's basically an SD Astra Type F that they modified to look like a Gunlander SD. Yeah. On the side here we have the stuff you can do in the kit. Basically, this is what it looks like in SD form. The Dragon Fusion mode, that's the name. And that's the Gun Dragon mode, and then yeah, it's pretty much it. You see, you get the Gunpla. I have not gotten the Justice Knight yet. I'm waiting. Hopefully, I can get like an upgrade of this guy, because the Valkylander, I have a feeling, that add-on kit which was announced, like the Avalanche Rex Buster. That one might be for the Valkylander if I'm not mistaken. But if it does, that'd be fun. And on the back we have the front back shot of the kit. That's not mention the price, but it's 1,300 yen if I remember correctly. Get my knife out. Alright, it's in the box. I'm surprised it's in the box, just not, I didn't notice that. Okay, let's open the box. First back we got B2 plate, which is the only. It looks more like red to me. I don't know why people say it looks more like an orange. It's kind of weird. It feels like more red, but people see different colors differently. So what the heck? And the sticker sheet, yeah, it's a little bit heavy, but it's actually not too bad for an SD. The star win. I remember doing the star winning. That was, well, it's just equally as bad as this, but I've seen worse. If you know what I mean, the EX standard I'm talking about there. EX standard. Alright, so yeah, the sticker sheet, yeah, I kind of wish they give you like, the old SDs, they have like a normal eyes, left, right, serious eyes, or the happy eyes, but they didn't have it here, so never mind. And you got the this is the A2, yeah, A2 plate. It's just the multicolor, but you got the wings, you've got the gold parts, you've got that's the chest, I think. Yeah, that is probably the reason why I got this. Yeah. So in the back we have the A1 plate, which the hair again is female. It's very similar to Natalie in terms of the design of this hair. Yeah, and the gold parts, and then you get like yeah, you get like more parts here. And the last part we have the polycat. Jeez, it has been a while. The last build in SD that used these polycats. I know for sure these podcasts are from the BB Senshi line, the newer BB Senshi line, and I have not heard anything about the BB Senshi line for a very long time. I know BB Senshi was going on ever since SD, like around the 1990s, I guess. I think 1989, I can't remember. But BB Senshi has been going on for a long time, and to see these polycaps being used by BB Senshi makes me feel nostalgic. And of course, you have the red parts as well. Some instructions, your Gunpla has the usual stuff, and the manual. Yeah, basically you can pause it if you want. You done? Good. Okay, so basically it's Valkylander. Oh, I just realized the manual is big for an SD. Holy crap! I just realized. Wow. Yeah. I have a Parvis himself. Well, he is a nice, like, cool guy, cool pilot. But people are asking, like, okay, the Valkylander is a female and Parvis a guy. So go figure. Yep. This same instruction basically is new stuff. But yeah. In the back we have the more details about the kit itself. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the SD Valkylander. Yeah, don't worry, give me like a couple weeks. I will get this guy booting once I finish my theory tests, and then I'll be free for a month. So yeah, I have no clue why I picked this up really. I don't know. I just got it because because it's a female. So if it's a female, I am definitely down getting these. Yeah. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.